January 1979, recommencing the observation of Orphan 23, or Beep Beep, Beep Beep, as he is known to us here. It looks like he's finally realised that fish are food. And last time we were here ages ago, he was still eating bloody insects. Looks like he's learned something from his books, eh? He's in pretty remarkable condition, really. I mean, there's been some bloody harsh winters there, and he still doesn't seem to make any sort of permanent shelter for himself. I'm not sure why. It's incredible. I tell you, it's amazing that he could even make that drum, but his music's horrible. Sounds like bloody dog's balls. Speaking of which, that seems to have formed a very close attachment to that puppy that we left him here last time. Thank Christ for that. Clint finally got the bloody jeep going. I had to walk it.
Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
He's hiding up the fucking hill, mate. He's up the hill there, little fucker. Oh, he remembers you, Clint, eh? You bloody struck a nerve with him. What are you looking so pissed off about, Beep Beep? Oh, did I forget to tell you Clint was coming, eh? Well, don't you bloody annoy him, Beep Beep. Alright, don't you be a bloody fuckwit, mate. We're here to help you, mate. Yeah, we're the only bloody friends you've got. You don't remember that, eh?
Hey, Beep Beep, from the department, usual stuff, Bibles, blankets, beads.
Bible.
That's right, Beep Beep, that's the Bible.
Oh. Rhinoceros.
That's right, rhinoceros, well done.
Rhinoceros. Kapaki.
Yeah.
Oh, rhino. Beep, beep, beep. Hey. Beep, beep.
Oh, beep,
Bible.
beep, you make me laugh, mate. Oh, that's right, there's Jesus.
Beep, beep.
And beep, beep, that's you, yes.
Pew. Pow. Pew.
Lovely.
Beep, 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 beep.
What's that? Oh, jeez, I'm not so sure we should have shown you that. It's probably a pretty bad influence on you, beep, beep.
Beep, beep. Hey. Ah.
Oh, Christ. Oh, yeah, that's if you want to bloody exchange the book, beep, beep. Yeah, you give it to them, they give you another book.
There you go, bed. Come on, there you go.
Oh, leave him alone, Clint.
Swimming lessons, beep, beep. From the department.
Oh, that fucking dog's following us again, mate. Piss off, you bloody mongrel. Go on, fuck off. Oh, Christ, Clint.
Teach you to fucking bite me.
Clint, for fuck's sake, mate.
Hot dog. Hot dog. Hot dog. Hot dog. Beep, beep. Hot dog. Hot dog. Hot dog. Hot dog. Hot dog. Beep, beep, beep.
Sometimes dogs just run away, mate. He's just run away. Is that enough?
Beep. Beep, beep. No. Just a fucking dog. Got you some meat.
You need lift there?
All that film's going to be destroyed. Complete waste of time. There's nothing to be learned from. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. I'm not coming back. This is the last one. This is it. This is the last one. No way.
Glenn, do you in here? Oh, fucking hell, what kind of experiment was that? Oh, this one, your favourite story.
Beep, beep! Your arm go flying! Beep, beep! Your body will go the other way in many pieces! Boo! Beep, beep! You are history! Wolf trap! Beep, beep, beep! Oh, beep, 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 beep! Beep! Drop the anchor! Now!
Oh, Christ, mate, it's hurting my bloody ears!
Beep, 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 bah!
Oh, thank Christ for that.
Beep, Gaboody! I'll get you! You won't escape!
What are you trying to do, mate? Shit, mate! Look at that! Come on, let's get out of here!
Talk to me!
What the bloody hell's happened here? I'm not getting a picture, Clint. I think the camera's naked. It's got water in it.
Shit's been blown off, the Land Rover's been...
It's not just the bloody shit.
Windows are smashed, the door's gone in.
Everything's fucked. We need to get out.
We get out of here and go over to the old research lab.
It's miles away, mate. Bloody miles away. For Christ's sake. Just get anything and fuck off.
Get Beep Beep's food, let's just get out of here.
Are we going to leave him anything?
Rat poison.
Where the fuck did you get that gear from, Beep Beep?
Ah, Beep Beep. Got a present for you. Some lollies.
Fire torpedo 1! Are you free? Torpedo fire! Rhino! Beep, beep, beep! Rhinoceros!
Beep beep. Beep beep.
Oh. Hello. I am Count Beep Beep. Finally we meet. I say shake it and be damned with it. To have met you, I am Count Beep Beep. I too am a gentleman. Beep, 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 beep.